Bachelor of Science in Tourism Management at the University of the Philippines. Her hobbies include singing and dancing.
Our next candidate is candidate number 2. She's 21 years old and took a Bachelor of Science in Pharmacy at St. Louis University. Her hobbies: reading books, listening to music, and dancing.
Candidate number 3 is 18 years old. She's currently taking a Bachelor of Science in Hotel and Restaurant Management at the Colegio de Naguban. She loves singing and listening to music and spends some of her free time playing badminton.
Let's now have candidate number 4. She's 20 years old and she's taking a Bachelor of Science in Nursing at Colegio de Naguban. She loves dancing and reading.
Candidate number 5 is 22 years old. She studied at the Pangasinan State University in Lingayen. Her hobbies include dancing and listening to love songs and rock music.
Next is candidate number 6. She's 19 years old and taking a Bachelor of Law in the University of Columbia. She loves singing.
Candidate number 7 is 19 years old. She is currently studying at the University of Luzon, taking a Bachelor of Science in Accountancy. She spends her free time playing table tennis or going to the movies.
Next is candidate number 8. She's 21 years old and taking a Bachelor of Science in Business Administration at the Pangasinan State University. She loves playing guitar and reading books.
Candidate number 9 is 19 years old. She is studying a flight attendant course at the World City College in Cubao, Quezon City. She loves reading novels and dancing, and loves to take care of her 5 cute and cuddly dogs, and she is a member of PAWS.
Next is candidate number 10. She's 21 years old and took a Bachelor of Science in Tourism at the University of Luzon. Her hobbies: singing, joining pageants, modeling, and traveling to other places.
Candidate number 11 is 23 years old. She is a registered nurse and spends her free time reading books, playing volleyball, and playing the guitar.
Our candidate number 12 is 17 years old and studying at the Lyceum Northwestern University, taking a Bachelor of Science in Tourism Management. And she loves reclaiming.
Candidate number 13 is 17 years old. She's currently taking a Bachelor of Science in Tourism Management at the St. Louis University in Baguio City. Her hobbies include singing and ballroom dancing.
Next is candidate number 14. She's 20 years old and studying at the Pangasinan State University, Lingayen. Her hobbies include dancing, acting, and reading books.
Candidate number 15 is 20 years old and took a Bachelor of Science in Nursing in the Pan Pacific University, North Philippines. Her interests includes dancing and playing chess.
Candidate number 16 is a second-year Bachelor of Arts International Studies at Goldsmith University. She loves dancing, Venezuela tambourine, can play flute, and singing.
17 is 19 years old. She's studying at the St. Louis University in Baguio City, taking a Bachelor of Science in Tourism. She loves to dance, and she started joining the pageant since high school.
Number 18 is 18 years old and studying at the Pangasinan State University, Lingayen. She's a member of the St. Vincent Parish Youth Ministry Supreme Student Council. She loves singing and cooking.
Next we have candidate number 19. She is 19 years old and studying at the Pangasinan State University in Lingayen, taking a Bachelor of Science in Business Administration. She loves singing, and she is a member of the Kapuluan Performing Arts Guild.
This is candidate number 20. She's 22 years old and took a Bachelor of Science in Nursing at the University of Cordilleras. She is a registered nurse and working at Urdaneta Sacred Heart Hospital. She loves dancing.
Next we have candidate number 21. She is 18 years old and studying at the University of Pangasinan. She is into different kinds of sports, especially volleyball.
Candidate number 22. She's 18 years old and taking a Bachelor of Science in Tourism at the University of Luzon. Her hobbies include editing videos and photos, rap, decorating, and watching movies.
Candidate number 23. Candidate number 23 is 22 years old, and she took a Bachelor of Science in Computer Studies at the University of Luzon. hobbies include singing and dancing.
Candidate number 24 is 80 years old and studying at the University of Luzon. She loves singing, playing guitar, and driving honors.
And we have candidate number 25. She is 19 years old. She's currently taking a Bachelor of Science in Tourism at the University of Luzon. She loves surfing the internet and hanging out with her friends. And she is a varsity player in volleyball at school. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, here are our 25 lovely candidates in their evening gown. Once again, let us give them a big hand.